Balik sa katahimikan. Nakakatuwa naman po. Ako ay sayang-saya. Even though nahihirapan ako magluto, ayan balik ulit sa ihip-ihip, pero masaya. I have to take advantage of the holiday kasi mahirap naman pagka talagang full-time person ka and it entails work even at home. Tatrabaho pa rin. Alam nyo kaya kung anong trabaho yan? Noble job, and it's rewarding. I'm so privileged to think that I'm part of it, and that is teaching. So, pagka may holiday, kailangan magtrabaho ka agad sa iyong maliit na lupa. Ihip mo na. It feels like, like I'm backwards 35 years ago in my life. And it's okay. It doesn't bother me. In fact, it brings joy. Kasi, simple lang. Pero ito magte-tent lang kami ng mag-asawa. Tahimik muna kami ngayon. We will do our things maybe on Sunday. And holiday is Monday. And then do some reading a little bit. And the rest will be relaxing because, when you're teaching, it definitely sapped energy from you. So I need to be quiet. I need to find myself. And this is the most conducive place for me to be quiet, aside from me and my husband doing our work in this land. Privilege. It was a short notice for me. We didn't know that President Bongbong declared that as non-working holiday. So right after I found out, I kind of did the change of plan. You gotta do what you need to do. So thank you, Lord, for the work, and thank you for being peaceful right now. I'm glad I have this opportunity. Thank you, dear Jesus. And viewers, bear with me. Summer is about to approach. Hopefully, we can do other things aside from regular camping. So stay tuned and please subscribe. God bless everyone. My husband is setting up, by the way, a solar. Tingnan, dami naming pagkain, para kaming mga kambing. We're going to have talbos ng kamote. Ito, na nga ito? Saluyot. It is saluyot. Malunggay. Some watermelon, banana, cucumber, pepper, and chico. You can't go healthier than that. So here you go. I think there's a taste of moon shining this evening. So we will enjoy it. Thank you and have a good evening. Bye-bye.